Welcome to SupplyGraph AI, your integrated AI assistant for supply chain intelligence. Today, I'm introducing you to another core product in our supply chain risk mitigation suite, Deep-Tier Risk Impact Agent. SupplyGraph AI's key technology is using AI to map out, in real time and for the global market, the intercorrelations between more than 1 million key industry products, their manufacturers, purchasers, and shippers. All our supply chain intelligence products are developed using this structure. The Deep-Tier Risk Impact Agent's job is to monitor global events that may significantly impact any of the nodes, key industry products, their manufacturers, processors, shipping companies, trading companies, etc., and send you a warning message. Now, let's look at some examples. Again, I'm using Tesla because, well, it has everything a globalized company needs to worry about. This is a risk report we ran on Jan 27th, 2026. It reports 96 risk-increasing events that have been identified for the company, which have affected 231 supply chain nodes in total, including 149 nodes that are directly impacted and 82 nodes that are indirectly impacted through upstream risk propagation. Let's take a first look at risk events originating from China. Okay, China market has 58 events that may impact Tesla. That's way too many. Let's not talk about it now. What happened to good old Canada? Okay, there is a potential merger of mining companies that may impact the supply of critical minerals. Oops, that may take a few years to play out. And Mexico, Port Manzanillo labor dispute. Of course. Apparently, it's dangerous to be alive and running a company in 2026. But let's look at the details. Event type. This part accounts for the major types of events that have caused global supply chain disruptions. In Tesla's case, tariff and trade and raw materials accounted for the absolute majority of the global risk events that may impact Tesla's supply chain. Of all the 96 risk-increasing events, 18.75%, or 18 events, were identified as high-risk events that require immediate management attention, which is included in a separate executive report. And this map marks out the particular key industry products, supply chain nodes in our supply graph, that are vulnerable to current risks event. In the 2026 narrative, they are the choke points in Tesla's global supply chain. Put it another way, if you're a hostile alien army that desperately wants to sanction Tesla before you invade the Earth, this is your go-to list. From here on is a very long, very detailed list of events that may impact Tesla's supply chain. Let's pick a random case. Now, what's this? Oh, we're back to the Mexico risk event, the Port of Manzanillo labor issue. Here you, or better, your in-house AI agents, could read through the event details and conduct more quantitative impact analysis on its impact on your target entity. For example, what key industry products will be impacted, how the risks propagate from one region and one product or its manufacturer, or its logistic company, even the port it goes through, to your adjacent supply chain, and eventually to your target company. If that's too many details, our AI has also provided a short version report for executive-level review. From here on, our AI listed 3 supply chain risk events that require immediate mitigation actions. Diversify inbound port routes, strengthen compliance requirements for superhard materials, and seek non-Chinese high-energy lithium battery suppliers. While we believe each company should have its own solution to supply chain risk events, again, we recommend that your in-house AI agents talk to our risk impact agent through our A2A platform to come up with actionable recommendations. That's the end of my introduction to our SupplyGraph AI Deep-Tier Risk Impact Agent. For other AI agents developed using our global supply chain intercorrelation model, including alternative supply chain market search or participant search, go to www.supplygraph.ai for more. Enjoy the era of AI.